Hey guys, Wednesday, January 22nd, 2025. Let's see what the Black Widow did today. This one's special. We're looking at two contracts. We're looking at the G, which is the February, right? Am I right? Am I wrong? Yep, February. February right here, March right here. So let's look at the two time frames. We're going to focus on the 4 hour. You guys been tuning in on my videos, my pre-market, where I wake up very early in the morning and I kind of analyze the charts and use some different techniques. I was leaning that there was going to be a pop statistically, and a lot of things, Gann theory, a lot of stuff was leaning that that it was going to pop, and it was just kind of going sideways. Something you want to study is when it's like very quiet. You could probably put like a squeeze play indicator. Once you see it just not really moving, something's about to be brewing. So far, I went to the upside. I went long, so far I went good. I think we went as high as what 401 around there. 401. Got this nice pop in the U.S. session. Mobiles are looking good. We blew right through 391. And big level right here, and this is a weekly. It'll be 405. If we could get to 405, that would be great. Let's say we want to push higher. You got 413 all the way to 421. I mean, the high is actually 436, but baby steps would be 405 and then 421 if we could get up there. But so far, mobiles are good. There's going to be some good support at 389, even 315. Now looking at the, and that was just the 1 hour, the 4 hour. The 1 hour, you can see, you know what, we need to put a little highlights. You could kind of tell the overnight. So right here, this is where it got, it spooked the kids. Then when, the bears showed up, you can see that there is a level holding here. It kind of held here. It did held here, but it didn't push as low as like 373. But then over here, it did go to 371. So it was a snapback. So you can see right here. Mobiles never went negative, so that's a green light. Just got to wait for your whatever signal you use to go long. And the PPS came in right at 9. Positive. Everything went up. Hit the Tom D Mark knife candle right at 1800 hours. As you can see right there. Knife candle. Beautiful play. And now pulling in. Mobiles haven't cracked yet. It's at 0.16 and change. So it's still in there. It's going to be chop fest unless we close above 399. We'll close below, you could probably say 393. But above your midpoint, so that's looking good. And looking at it right now, it looks like it's setting up for another snapback. Although this one looks like it could be even powerful. Statistically, it's a flat day for tomorrow, so it could be 50-50. It could go up, could go down, could just continue going sideways. So not that much edge there. We'll see. That's the 4 hour. Just keep a watch on this level right here. 393 and obviously 391, which is your 90 degree of square of 9. We want to make sure we could continue going sideways. Maybe the EIA report comes positive and we'll shoot higher. Now these are for the March guys that are trading. They're trading the March contract. Look at that. This was just straight up perfect. You got your buy signal on the 4 hour and right smack to your midpoint for the week. As you can see, we didn't even get to the midpoint on the February contract. But right there, that was your target. So if we were to go higher into the US session for EIA, it would probably be 365 all the way to 377. That was your high for last week. Mobiles are looking good, although kind of setting up for a hockey stick, but positive. Everything is positive on the 4 hour. On the daily, we hit our extension pretty much to the nose, 353. Yep, 353 right here on this candle right here, these two. Now it's kind of pulling back, same thing with the February contract. It could be setting up for a snapback. As long as we hold 347, worst case, if anyone wants to dig in, you need to hold at least 342 and hold this maybe for the US session for a retest. But we don't know what the London boys are going to do. They're going to slam it and then bring it back up and then see if this is going to hold and then see what EIA report is, or just kind of go sideways, because that plays too. But it's just kind of sideways. Once the number comes out, either go boom. Statistic is so quiet, so I don't know, or boom down. If it goes down, you want to see 342 hold, or at least 348. Let's say numbers are really good. Targets to the upside will be 358 all the way to 363. So right now we are at what? The high was 353 and the high was 4 and change. We hit 4 right here, 411 all the way to 421. Big targets. Watch out for 416 and 406. But if we're not going to go as far as 421, we need to hold 391. That's your 90 degree. Obviously, and even your 381. For the ones trading the March, you're at 349. So you're all the way over here. 352. This is a 270 degree. Your targets will probably be 361 all the way to 371. If we can push higher, 381, we need to hold 343 and 334. So let's see if we could continue pushing higher. From here, your target will be 371, and if we go lower, we need to hold 334. Let's see what the number is going to come out, and let's see how it plays out. Hopefully you like this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on that gas.